MikeBot here. I'm doing a quick little video on the anti-vibration feet. So the anti-vibration feet basically go underneath the Bambu X1C. The same applies for the Bambu P1P, and as the name states, it's gonna stop the vibration on the Bambu, therefore enhancing your prints and reducing vibration. These work wonders. So you get a pack of 8 of these, so if you have 2 printers, you get 2 sets basically. So I'm going to go ahead and tilt my Bambu and start with the rear feet, and then I will do the front feet. So the proper way to do this would probably be to tilt it on its side completely and insert the feet that way, but I don't want to do that. My printer's set up in its spot, so I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to do it corner by corner, starting with the rear corner here. Okay, so basically what you want to do, you want to rip off the little pads that come on the printer itself, and then you want to insert the feet where the pads were basically. So the feet that come with it are pretty good. They're just not for anti-vibration, and I will get a clearer shot of what I'm doing here in just a second. I'm just placing everything properly. So once you remove these feet, there's a little insert on the inside and the feet slip right in. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put the pads under this like that. So it's gonna raise it by a little, but it's gonna help out. Alright, so you wanna start by tilting your printer sideways. Be careful you don't smash the glass on the front or the side. Rip off the feet here, like so. And then go ahead and push. I didn't even take my own advice. Remove the glass first. Okay, so go ahead and press these feet in. They should sink right in, like so. Make sure you get all 4, and under here you can see kind of where the belts are if you ever need to do a belt replacement. Alright, all 4 feet are installed. So now, this next part I might need to do off camera because it's printer's got a bit of weight to it and it's fragile. Alright, I've installed the anti-vibration feet here. I actually did not end up using these. They were too much of a pain. After you get the printer back in its place, it's a bit of a bee basically. You have to play around with the feet. They might slip off. It's quite the process. I thought it would take 30 seconds. It took me like 10 minutes to get them on and perfect and straight and the way I like them, but as you can see, they do their job. So that with the anti-vibration technology in the printer itself should basically stop my cabinet from rattling and make things a lot smoother. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, leave a comment below, let me know why. If you have any questions, leave a comment as well. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. MikeBot out.